Squash and hockey have hit a plateau in Pakistan, but with their rich histories of world number ones, all hope is not lost. Yet.
And then, of course, is the lifeline of Pakistani sports mania, cricket.
To say that the sporadic nature of our team bears a huge resemblance to the erratic emotional nature of our country wouldn't be completely unwarranted. The acid test which bestows greatness on a test side is the ability to win away from home, and with consistency.
Javid had 150 on his mind, which he's got.
So for starters, let's take a look at our test cricketing history. It took Pakistan 21 years to win its first test series abroad in New Zealand in 1973. And another 14 years to notch up away series wins against India and England in 1987. It was these two series wins which put Pakistan on the test cricketing map of the world. Pakistan had still not won an away series against Australia, West Indies or South Africa. In ODIs, Pakistan has continued the same pattern of inconsistency. This fact is verified by our tremendous World Cup record of the 90s and the abysmal World Cup record of the 2000s.
So the ground cleared now, and that's it. Australia are the World Cup champions of 1999, and well might they celebrate on the balcony here at famous Lord's.
The same team has had legendary leaders like Imran Khan, the world's greatest fast bowlers like Wasim Akram and Waqar Yunus, and the mesmerizing spinning magic of Abdul Qadir and Mushtaq Ahmed.
Waqar to Donald, the last ball is bowled in, and Pakistan have won.
All of them honed their skills in the English county cricket system. It let them play some high-level cricket and gave them exposure to a different mental approach to cricket as well. The inherent nature and cultural mindset of Pakistanis makes them believe that their best can only come when they hit rock bottom. Case in point is the 92 and 99 World Cups. We won in 92 only after we were on the brink of elimination, and lost in 99 after being in control throughout the tournament.
Oh, ball him, clean ball him, neck and crop, what a delivery. Those stumps are lying all over the place.
The only version of the game in which Pakistan has shown their ascendancy is the 2020. Although it would be unfair to pass judgment, as 2020 is still in its infancy and Pakistan has only played a handful of matches. While 2020 is looked down upon by some as a commercialized and even diluted version of the original game, many say that the brash, no-holds-barred format suits the current Pakistani cricketing squad's mindset, more than the strategic and tactical imperatives of the longer versions of the game. The best example of this at the test level is the recent first test loss to Sri Lanka at Gale in 2009.
The question arises is, how does Pakistani cricket become consistent? The blame seems to lie with the domestic management of the game to produce quality players on a regular basis and to manage the affairs of the team.
Is poor team management to blame for Pakistani cricket's inconsistency? What changes need to be made then, and will we see the effects immediately?